So guys, in today's video we're going to do some unboxing and fitting up. I remember me showing the stuff them, but we never really unbox them. So today we're gonna unbox them and fit them up because the days them are run down so fast. Anyways, I'm there with the Butcher family, Lovell, Lucy, and this little one. Say hi.
Hi.
So this is the first thing that we're going to unbox. It is a card box. So it looks like this, and we're going to set it up. I don't think you need drill or anything for this. Hold on. So this at the top. With the front. Oh, and this at the front. So if you have a little event and you know you're gonna get some card or stuff like that. Alright, so my first thing we do, manual. So installation step. Check the 6 panels of the box first.
That's the back front in a Lucy.
I know.
And then distinguish the side.
There.
See top them.
Oh, yeah.
So check the 6 panels of the box first and then distinguish the side panel and upper and lower panel according to the direction of.
Okay, maybe do the right thing, but I mean, you do the one right.
Guys, do you think after this wedding there will be a twin? Let me know in the comment section. We're going for a twin, a boy and a girl, one time. One time.
Such as a score, man.
You get it? I'll know.
Something.
Look when the steps them back again now. When you use the steps them down, you should be better. Or when you do line them up like what you see the some line up.
Look at you, man. Look at you. Listen up. Look at you. Look at you, guys. Look at you. See the culprit.
Where's Uncle? Ready, Anna?
Mommy, where's Aunty?
Where's Auntie? Auntie gonna put on floor. She have feet.
Where's Aunty?
Careful, Anna.
Alright guys, so Lovell over here, so I set up the back them and she do all of them here, so Mega just put in the ribbon them. This is how it look with the ribbon. Watch out, it come out. Oh my. Because when I tie them it, when I put in the token. These are so cute. I might job now for put in the ribbon them, so I can do that fast and quick. Then we're gonna move on to something else. This is set up as well. This is the guest book. Also from Amazon. But it's shown, but we never done a real unboxing and setting up. So that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah.
These are the final things?
No, may have 2 more things if, and then we're gonna cut out.
As in everything.
Oh, yeah, everything is done. I just them here for do. It's in Korean, that you know. Guys, we put clothes on the line, so every minute me run go look cause a bare rain.
Auntie,
Yes, baby. So this is what the bag is looking like when it's all done. Ooh, so pretty. What said me I'm married?
And I too.
What?
I'll always talk about the Bible and Jesus Christ and stuff. Listen, it's when the devil don't like marriage, right? Because the devil don't like marriage, it's when you're not married, it's going to be of God. Yes, when you be of God now, all things, one of the that wish I will come for nowhere. The devil not go on that. Blessing will come for nowhere. Children will come for nowhere. Financial blessing will come for nowhere. Next trick of the book Always have a S. And you're nice here, so I can't call out the word. But always have S. The S will make you shine brighter. You won't sweat like how you're sweating now. I remember I got 99 bedroom theater. So you can do it all you want. And how you want. And when you want.
Auntie.
Yes, baby?
What?
Yeah.
Next thing.
Wow.
Be patient and kind. Because remember now, people always say, oh, man have a tougher heart than female. Male and female both have emotions. Treat your partner with patience, kind, and love. And also, everything above. All of those three, respect. Respect both, what you say? Both ways.
Both ways. Leave it, baby.
Leave it at there. So when you respect him, he will respect you. Start saying that there if you hear that this bit. He will hear it on the blood. Yeah. Also,
Yeah.
if you have 90, throw them 90 there. Next thing, your relationship is your relationship. Nobody should come in between that relationship. The only somebody is between that relationship is who?
God.
God.
I'm big on that.
Nobody else. Relationship come, things come. I'm not saying I take advice from people, but know who you take it from. If you can work out your thing without, if you can work out your thing without involving a third person, work it out.
Not true.
Always remember also that the family you're making now is more important than the family you come from.
Big on that.
And people are going to disagree on me with that because they're going to say they love their mother and they love them this and they love them that before they wife and husband. But once you're married, the family that you're making right now is going to be more important than the family you come from. You understand? So, remember, Jason is important to you as how he is important to him.
Alright guys, so Lucy finished with the card box. Hold up here so I see. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, nice. Feel like all of the card them I can hold. So that's down. And then them here almost done. Lovell and make 3 extra. Just in case anything mess up. So everything I go on when I put in the token them yet because as you know the new set of token them the label yet. Yeah. So when I put them in. The lady, oh guys, Nicole came through again because the new set of sticker them now go come in time. So she make some customized stickers to me with the same theme. So yeah. So when we print them, I go label them and then we just put them in. We just tie them because these easy for drop out. So this is it. We're moving on. Here you go.
Wedding guest book.
So put them here in this too. You're not gonna need them here now. Them they're the heart where them are gonna sign.
Oh.
And that's the pad where you go press on.
Oh, so that what I try to see.
But me can't remember what this for. Me have to go back on the link guys and see the part here for. I don't remember. Guys, so far so good. If you not wonder where Jason them gonna work from morning. So me, Lovell and Lucy there are going mat sit up. I'm not sure what time Jason gonna come home. But he went out very early for work. After we fix up that one here, we're gonna stop and then get something to eat and then we'll come back. The bag them out of the way for the token, but when I put in the token them in it yet because me not label them as yet. So when I did I explain to you say the first set of stickers waste because you know say the token them did end up spoil and I did label them already. And then the new set of sticker them now go reach in time. So I had to call Nicole and make Nicole do some customized sticker for me, so I'm gonna print them off. I'm not gonna get the glossy look that I wanted, but it's something similar to the China box. Something similar to the cake tags. Guys, I'm so exhausted, me not lie. Anyways, I don't want to see it. When me gonna print the sticker them tomorrow and then we label them. The best part is we'll have some extra stuff like extra bag. So if we host nothing, at least we're not gonna start from scratch. we'll have little things. Alright, I forgot to get one screwdriver. Guys, that's why I need one drill now. Oh, talking about drill. I make one with the registry. I put look stuff on it. So I'm nervous because I've never done this before, but oh no, we saw me put funny. I put one little drill something too. Yes, baby. On this, where you stick it?
Where you stick it?
Become sticky? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you tear off your paper. So just tear off how you want to put it on from now.
Now put on the front.
Where did you bless me?
The time I see some ball love, remember when I was virgin, I look one girl and say I love you, say I live you.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Well, thank God you never stress me.
It's nice, guys. So it's gonna look like. Actually, I didn't take this done. Mickey Mouse something.
Oh, my God!
So this side, guys.
And then me are show in front.
That's for your Mickey Mouse. It's not for your Mickey Mouse.
This will go somewhere.
Where's it? Where's up?
That's how this is.
Please sign a heart. Drop it in the frame so we will always remember the loved ones who came. Aww.
Yeah.
What?
But what are these for?
Oh, they find white one. No. Looking for sticker.
Leave it, like you mash up it.
Better take you
I
outside.
wonder if my parents
And that I see, you can't see me, I think you see.
Parents,
Yeah.
mother, father. It
Like
can be,
same
you know,
thing come to me and just. Or bridal,
Or bridal,
bridesmaid,
bridesmaid.
something.
like the closest person still.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. So I'm not pull out the heart them yet, but the heart them I got throw it in a this. These are the pad to sign on. And then this is the sign. So this is it, and this is the back of the sign. I didn't worry about how the color of the wood look, but it turned out good. No, go boring, man. It turned out good, guys. Alright, so what we're gonna do now? Put it back up. Oh, this have to just come off, and then everything else can stay.
If you put that in a something way, you know, after you have to put it back in the
Yeah. Moving on to these, but when I remember me did I telling us that them come with some sign. So this is what it's looking like, and a gold marker. The gold marker they run a room. I'm not gonna use them, but I'm not gonna waste them because for future events, when I know we're gonna keep run the corner, any family gathering or anniversary or whatever the case is, renewal of vow, anything at all. But I think at 12 of them come to put in here. And also I don't want to write on it. I don't know, my handwriting not gonna look too nice, so I'm happy somebody go ahead and get some table labels customized and stuff like that.
Nice.
Yeah, lovely.
I'm good in here.
I'll try one first. Oh, look what right run. Neat like the art.
Yeah, that's what out the heart.
Aww.
Sweet.
It's what's there? Life is sweet. Here is a treat.
Mommy.
Yeah, that nice, huh? Life is sweet. Here's a treat.
Mommy, one. One.
Yeah, that's cute. Nice bag. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish all of them and come back. So we just finish eat. And may I tell you? I want to sleep. Lucy back at it again. Lucy mean business. The food was so good. Really good.
Nice one.
But I can call it so we're done, Lovell. You're tired?
No, I'm not tired now. We can go again.
No, I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
Where did I look at that?
Where did I do for tired? Not a thing but ram.
No.
Anyways, I'm showing you what we do so far. We did all the table labels. So cute, I tell you. Really nice. We did for look some box a while ago when we go up on the road, but we never get a chance to. Oh, it did not rain anyways. It's been raining. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tables. 1 leave back. I might just use one of these guys and put it for the worker them for 1 table so them can eat. Because me not believe in the whole standing up and eat or them have to get their food and go catch one side. Me go make them sit down and eat, because when everybody eat them don't need to run the camera or do nothing. Because everybody eat MC don't need to talk. Few pictures I go take, but I want them to be seated. Just them that we cut out now. What Lucia do. These are the cake jar tags. We go punch one hole in it so the string can go through it, and then them I go up on the cake jar them. So it's a life is sweet, here's a treat. Guys, we are done. Yeah, but look on the ground. Beer mess. Oh, it looks so like, I don't know. There's Jody over there. What
Yes.
minute here, Jody?
Come in, turn her down.
Oh, guys, Jody is saying hi.
Say hi.
Yeah, she should have there and do some of my work with her, but she did too far. So I gotta cut her some slack. When we see her the night when we are. Jody, how we are doing night before?
We are gonna drink.
Drink what? Champagne? Non-alcoholic champagne?
Yeah,
No,
what
alcohol.
you drink? What you drink?
I don't have a bottle of wine, but I don't think you guys will like it.
What kind of wine? Yeah, see it there. Cause you know, say match this.
Yeah, that me
It match the guest book. Anyways, I don't know yet. Alright, I let Lucy do this. You Lucy. Oh,
You must do this.
I want to stand, but I don't know how this works.
I think falling first by myself.
Hi.
Hi.
Be nice.
See?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to do it.
I don't think, Mega.
Yeah, just because.
Might as well me not set up it, because it's so easy. Yeah, it's easy. But me want, you know I've set it up. I want to see how it fit, how it stand. To put a welcome sign.
Oh.
But that easy, man.
Well, you can adjust it to it, like.
No,
See
it's
one there
not
over the
fuck.
side there.
Yeah, there's something to do something there. Let me look for.
Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. I'm gonna put the stand on it. Guys, the mine over there is a beer package.
Probably about 8.
I'm gonna put this something on it and see how it look.
No, 8 word. Yay!
It's nice.
Yeah, this nice.
Carol, yeah.
Not 15 words.
Yeah, this is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Look, I realize.
Wow. What? Yeah.
Probably need to carry up this one more.
Workplace safety. Because maybe do multiple choice and the QR.
Leave it, Adi. Leave it, baby.
Lucky. So I drop down.
And the beat files is ready. 20, something like ready.
Yeah, nice.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Just need to decorate with some flowers.
Picture, yeah, pretty.
Yeah, pretty. Lovely. Guys, that's it. We are done. So, me gonna clean up back. Lovell, them are gonna leave me and we clean up. Watch excitement.
Wow!
You like
I'm
it?
gonna cry. Why are you cry? Look at this.
Oh, this is so cute.
Oh my gosh! These look good.
Nice.
Wow, I love it. This is not used to me now. Me say me have to cry. Me don't know. Me feel the crying.
That's my first photo.
No, look, what is this?
Yeah.
Expressions on paper.
Okay, it's nice.
Me we clean up, guys. Me grateful for no help me now, like so me not even gonna make you know.
At the reception area.
Yeah. Why the camera
We didn't put right, Angel?
eh?
We didn't put right?
Yeah, with the guest book.
I mean, I'm married. It's not big wedding.
But it's a back over what you just said?
I said I'm so excited and I'm not getting married.
Oh.
So Jody I say, Lovell, one more piece of stress we gonna look clothes again. Clothes and shoes and something when a Jody turn.
You say? They say one little private something.
Guys, weddings are so expensive, it's not even funny. Just want to have to let me suggle up and make Lovell them leave and stuff. Guys, we are finally done and Lovell and Lucy just leave. Lovell and Lucy, wanna now watch this? Thank you guys so much. Big up on yourself for the help. Loving us so much. Anyways, me I go clean up, bathe, and then show you what me I work with. And also when Jason come home, we'll have so much stuff to get done. We are officially done prepping. Thank you, Lord. When Jason came in, guys, me not even take up back the camera. We got some stuff done. If you don't notice, the mirror spray. The camera don't really show it. Now do it no justice. But it's gold. The camera kinda make it look like green, but it's not green, guys. It's gold and look like it's shimmery. Something like that. When I see it, when you hear my belly, you see it? See it there. Anyways, I love it, guys. And then guess what? You see the light in it? Looks prettier with the color here. Trust me. I forgot to turn off the light and then show them. Anyways, I have these to put in back because could spray it with those inside of it. And if I change my mind and feel like I want to go back for the wood type of vibe, I'll do that because I have some more. I only do 4 because I not spoil all of them, which I don't think it's spoiled. It's nice, but the color not really show on camera. It's a give off green, but it's really gold, guys. And call it the Mr. and Mrs. sign. Those are the table labels. Now this one, the card inside this one, it come with these, the stand. And me just write workers on one of them because I don't want them to be standing and I try to find one little place to catch for eat. No, I want them to be seated. So me go put this on their table. If me did know, I would make Nicole design one say workers. I didn't even want to put workers. I might take out this. Plus the handwriting not so hot on it. I mean write it, guys. The welcome sign is in that. I want to know it. Another bag here is the program and something else, the extra stickers and all of those stuff. And then these are the bags for the token, guys. I love this so much. I'm gonna tell you, them cute bad. When I put in the token them yet though, because I'm gonna print off the, what you call them, the stickers for the token, and then I'm gonna label them on, then I put them in the bag. So you can call it, so the stuff them done really and truly. It's in here not dark enough, so it's not as bright as it should be. But yeah, I love the warm light with the gold more. Love story. But yeah, this is it. Just picture it, and this will lean up like that. Now I'm gonna lean on it, but I don't want it to fall down. So I'm just show you the vibe. Hey guys, so I'm gonna slow down the part here of the video for talk to you a bit. Now, we did a lot of stuff off camera. I just don't want to ruin it for them. I want to wait until the big day for to say everything and how it come together. But we're not going to do much decor at the venue because the venue is so beautiful. I love the greenery with the sheer white curtain and the wood. You guys saw it. If you don't see it, you can check it out where I show you guys the wedding venue location. So we're not going to do much decor to the venue. But we're going to add a touch to it, because the theme is dusty pink, dusty rose, with greenery and white. So we're going to add to it, But these are some of the flowers that we got for the day. I got this from Amazon. It's really cute. And it matched the theme so perfect. Other than that, we did some DIY. When Jason got home last night, he sprayed the decor gold. The something me there showing up, you guys saw it. He did that in gold. I really wanted you guys to see the whole process. For couples to we're gonna get married and them a plan for DIY. But we didn't get a chance to record it because we did a try to do it at the doorway, and then the spray scent did a full up the house. So we go outside, and then the outside lighting never so bright, and it was just so chaotic, and we did just want to wrap it up because it was really late. Anyways, everything I come on real nice. Jason and I did that last night as well. So I bought the green van from Amazon, and we just fill in with the blush rose and the dusty rose. But I think it looks cute. It just wants some more color in it. But yeah, that's all we have so far. The days them are run down so fast. The only thing that is left to do is to bring some stuff to the cleaner, get them clean up, iron, and that's it. We are done planning. Just need to do a little maintenance now and sort out stuff. I already started, you know. If you know, you know. Yeah, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go up on the road now, and I have few stuff to get done. Plus, I need to drop off my ear to the hairdresser. I bear things. And I just collect the sticker them for the token. It's ready. So Jason did all of them last night because I fell asleep and him take him like a time and him do them by himself, and I was really grateful. Until this morning I come around here, I try put it for stand up. Them not stand up. Then nobody could tell me say the box them not closed properly. See that stand up? Beautiful. Well, let us show off for the camera because it's a drop. It can't stand up properly. See it? Now guess what? One fool make many because I me tell Lovell this. I me tell Lovell see I saw it like. So this is solely on me. And my fault this. Because here me Lovell, yeah, me get it and show her how to do it. So all of them look like this. So that's that. Anyways, that's the latest update. But them labeled and look nice. Yeah, okay. Alright, soon come back. Babe, can I tell you how the bag them never...
Wait. From here, can I tell you how? The flavor sound big already.
Babe, the bag them never fix good. And you know the funniest thing? I mean tell Lovell. I mean sure Lovell. I say Lovell, I saw them lock.
But me still not get what you ask me.
Yeah, we have to go back over and stuff them what you do last night.
What?
So all of the token them, alright, so the token, wait, don't be discouraged. The token them good, you label them good, them align properly, love that. But the one them we put in the bag, we have to take them back out of the bag because the bag bottom them not look good.
Babe, look at you see, me do my part, you drop asleep left me. Me did a work before that. And guys, I'm telling you, I know I don't see myself. Because I never say, oh, not see me, no. I don't see myself a lot in the vlogs. Not even just them wedding vlog, just in general over a period of time. And it's just simple as, yo, I have, I don't know, so we have a life outside of YouTube and I have things I do outside of YouTube. So, I definitely go busy a lot of times. Plus, you know, I have to take extra steps to make sure so I can do my part as a man for the wedding when I come up. It's just as simple as that. You see what I say?
Yeah.
And also, you know, just go and enjoy the vlog them and enjoy whoever want to see in the vlog them. And Lovell and Lucia help us, so I'm glad they could have play a part there. So, give me something more next duty for do.
I mean, we done everything. Everything what we DIY, those were the last set of stuff.
House just look like you want a white blue. I don't like those. So you just do that part them more.
They look so good in glasses.
Well, them have to both beauty and duty because we need them.
So, new update.
But me still I get into it. I can't wear it all the time.
Yeah. Anyways,